side of the wig. So I have a comb here, comb here, comb here, comb here, an elastic band, and also a comb in the back. So when I say snug fit, snug fit. So I'm just gonna push this back a little bit, adjust it, take my ears out. Also keep in mind that I do have in my ball, I don't have a breakdown right now, and I do have the elastic band in. So right off the bat, this is a really nice fit on this wig, and also I love the texture. So this is a water wave texture. I try to stay away from water wave textures because I feel like a lot of these companies can't really get it when it comes to the texture. I don't like the water wave textures that have no wave. Like, it's like, this is pointless. You get what I mean? Like, this should just be like a body wave, you know? But I love that this one actually has like a curl to it, you guys. Really, really nice. And I love the length as well on it and the fullness of this wig. So they offered this wig to me in a closure. I would have actually loved it in a frontal. I am actually just a frontals girl. You guys know this. But I haven't even put any foundation or concealer or anything on it. But I am going to do that on camera for you guys. So just to show you like where the lace stops, it's pretty much like at the end of my eyebrows and on both sides. The lace does come white, you guys. It is not tinted or anything, so you would definitely have to go in and tint your lace. So I love the color, perfect for fall. As you can see, my ears are bending, you guys. So I'm gonna try to see if I can make this go up just a little further so that my ears can relax. And it still just have a bend to it. So this one doesn't have that C-shaped curve around the ear. If it did, it would be perfect. But if it doesn't bother you guys, then this would be perfect. You would just probably have to like lift this up a little and move it out of your way so that your ear can fit a little bit more relaxed. So I just pulled it back, so now my ears are not bendy. I like to detangle my hair with the wet brush. It's like an unbrush. You can get it off Amazon, super popular. And I like to detangle my hair with that brush. However, I do not like how it curl defines. So I go in with my Old Faithfuls. So these are the brushes here that I use to curl define all of my wigs. So when you don't use a lot of product in your hair is going to come out super fluffy and voluminous. And I let my hair air dry outside. So now that we're there, I'm going to go ahead and get started with my hair. I'm going to go ahead and take my foundations palette. This is cream foundation. Highly recommend you guys like use spritz or something, or like leave it open, which I normally do, to basically get it to stiffen up because it's not a matte. So yeah. So I'm just going to use the darker side. I'm using the darker side lately to basically blend in with my contours of my face. So I'm just going to see if I can blend this. I'm going to take the lighter shade and put it down the middle. I feel like this is the part that they gave me, but as you guys can see, you can see my hair, so I have to put some concealer down this part. I'm gonna fluff my hair out with this comb. I think it looks fine now. I probably could have finger combed it a little bit, but I'm gonna just use this comb to see if I can get like underneath to fluff the hair out. Not the top, but just like underneath.